Good afternoon, 345 fam. Y'all don't mind me here. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Today we'll be throwing on the front end. Yeah, the car 2000. Well, yeah, 99, but 99 2000 is exactly the same thing. Got 96, 98 front bumper, SIR front bumper with the black housing headlights. So I'm gonna be throwing on the 98 front end just because that white house and the tail lights. So let's get to it. I don't got nothing much to say, so yeah, beezy way, you don't know. But first of all, we're going to shell this down and take apart this front end, which you've probably seen me done multiple times, but so it go. Going to soap it up, you know. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it out now. Alright, so I'm gonna put on the fenders now. I'll be putting in just alright. Alright, so these are the headlights now. They're dirty right now, but the black housing headlights. These are the headlights I had on my red Civic, the SIR with the sharp face, but we're going to take some precaution to say I'm not got any light bulbs yet, so I'm going to tape up all the holes so no moisture or dirt gets inside and mess up the inside. Beautiful, beautiful. Headlights fresh, and I still not clean them off it because they dirty. I got this old dusty bumper that I got from a trade with my nigga Jaden. Tag still on it. Clean SIR bumper. Gotta throw this on, you know. After I wash it off because it kind of very dirty and dusty. Alright, so just wash off the bumper. Back up, cameraman. Back up, back up, back up. Beep, 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 beep. Let me show you something. A rare sight to find on Civic bumpers. Some with the tab still on. Huh! Yo, everything still there, ready to get sprayed over. Alright, when I want to see the problem, you know, let me show you this because I already know this is the problem. The radiator support doesn't line up with it. Because this car is a 2000 and this front end is a 98. So you see that? That's the hole. Now the 2000 hole there. It off, but I'll show you how I deal with that. Let's just see how she look from right here. Clean. Fingers crossed that this car starts. So she be acting up when she's cold, but, and I just washed the engine, so you know she's very cold. But once you get up to temperature, she Look at you, Bobby. I hear. This man laughing at me here. Put zoom in on his head. Zoom in on that mushroom. What's that? Yo, you know, weird different now, eh? You look good at dark, man. Last minute thing we are doing. Christ. Alright, that's how she looks so far. I taking the lip off of this old bumper and putting it on that. So I take this off, you know. Alright, the yard is a mess, but the car looking somewhat clean. We're gonna go take her for a little drive, you know. Inside.
Check this shit out. Oh yeah. Testing the beezy out. Beezy life.
Just protecting myself, so if you see it, no feel nowhere. Where? Father help me. Load with Bible verse and me gonna empty. Can't take me like selfie, Father God bless me. You know how long them a fling and nothing can catch me. Dog for me life sweet like Nestle. We okay. Protect me while me and protect my life. You know what days friend them out and already. Me buy myself a 45. Me prefer stay hungry and full up it belly. For the help when man on no credit, man I call upon you for help me with the enemy. Cause them out there. Many on these streets don't sweet like strawberry.